So today we're talking with Dr. Niemiec, and we're discussing how your dog's oral health can really affect the way that they act, and it can potentially be life-threatening. And there's a lot of safety dogs, service dogs that help other people, and if they don't have proper oral health, then they really can't help the people that they're meant to help. And an example of that would be if a dog were helping someone that's blind to cross the street. Um, what they do is they have to know if it's okay to cross, if it's not okay to cross, even if the owner tells them that it's okay. And so if something's affecting that dog and it's keeping them from being the healthiest that they can be, then they really can't do their service to their person that they're trying to help. So today we're going to talk about how we can get those dogs the free care that they need to stay healthy. So I'm going to go ahead and ask Dr. Niemiec a few questions and get started so we can educate ourselves. So what signs would you say we need to look for if we want to catch this early, catch the potentially fatal or harmful dental diseases? How can we catch this early?
Well, there's two main things that you need to look for. The first and the most, subtle sign of disease is redness or inflammation to your dog's or cat's gums. And so really all you have to do with a nice dog like Tom here is just flip up the lip and look for the teeth and look for that redness. You see that little redness right there on his canine? That's enough to signal that he's got a little bit of early gingivitis. And most dogs will let you do that if you go slow. The other thing that you can look for, or actually not look for, smell for, is bad breath. If your dog or cat has bad breath, that's not normal. People think of doggy breath as being normal. It's not. It's a sign of infection. And really, bad breath is a late sign of infection. That means your dog has significant oral disease and it needs to get into the veterinarian right away.
Yeah, that's good to know. Because, yeah, I think everyone just think of that as being normal.
Yeah.
It's good to know that it's not. What can we do you think, to prevent that so that this doesn't happen? What can we do ahead of time to keep our dogs' mouths clean?
Well, it's just like taking care of our own mouths. Regular trips to your veterinarian as well as home care. And home care ideally is brushing. If you can brush your dog's teeth daily, it's going to decrease the number of visits that you need to come to me. But the other thing you want to do is you want to use some kind of chew-based treat. And one of the big problems that people have is deciding which chew-based treat to use. There's a lot of products out there, but unfortunately, a lot of them really don't work. So if you want to find something that's really has proof that it works, look for what's called the Veterinary Oral Health Council, or VOHC, seal of approval. If it has that, it probably works. If it doesn't, probably best to stay away.
Oh, that's good to know. And I read that we cannot use any sort of human toothpaste. So what do you use to clean them? Do you just brush with just a toothbrush and water?
Well, actually, they have a lot of doggy toothpaste, and that has some things that will get rid of some of the tartar on the dog's teeth. But really, it's a lot of flavoring. You don't have to use anything, but we like something that the dog wants to have in their mouth. So they have poultry flavored and beef flavored and stuff like that. Those are the kind of toothpaste that you'd probably prefer to use.
Good. And then those chewies too that they eat. Um, how can we help with the service dogs that need oral care? What can we do to help them? Because I know that a lot of those dogs need the service for free to help keep their mouths clean, and it can't charge. So what can we do to help them?
Well, there's a great thing for your watchers to do, and that's to go to the Greenies website or Greenies Facebook page, sorry. And if they go to the Greenies Facebook page and like it, Greenies is going to donate $1 to dogs like Tom to get their mouth taken care of. That's through the American Veterinary Dental College, or AVDC, service dog provider. And so we, as board certified dentists, provide a free exam. If he needs something based on that exam, then they can apply to Greenies, and they're going to get a grant to take care of his teeth, because it's so critical to take care of your dog's teeth because it affects the entire body. And that's why I have partnered with Greenies to spread the word.
Our dogs, every dog I've ever had has used those anyways, those greenies. They just love them. It's something about them. They like them anyways. So that's perfect that they're willing to do that to help other dogs. And where would you suggest that we go if we want to learn more about this? I know that most of my readers they really want to help other people. So where can we go to learn more about this?
Well, there's several good places for information. You can go to the Greenies page, and they have lots of information there. My personal website, which is Dog Beach Dentistry, just like it sounds, .com, or the American Veterinary Dental College, the avdc.org. You can find out all sorts of information on gum disease, find a local veterinary dentist, and also find out, what we're doing for dogs like Tom to get his mouth taken care of. So if you have a service dog and you would like to take part in this program, you can register on the avdc.org website.
Good. Well, thank you so much. That was so helpful. I learned so much, and I'm sure everyone watching did too. It's good to know that we can help.
Good. I'm glad I was here. Thanks, Becky.
Sure. Thank you. Bye.